In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your XOSS G+ bike computer to Strava so you can sync your rides automatically and keep all your cycling data in one place. First, make sure your XOSS G+ has recorded your ride and is connected to the XOSS app on your smartphone. Open the XOSS app and log in to your account. Go to the app's Settings or Profile section and find the option for connecting third-party apps. Select Strava from the list of apps to connect. You'll be redirected to the Strava login page. Enter your Strava credentials and authorize XOSS to share your ride data. Once connected, your rides recorded on the XOSS G+ will automatically sync to Strava whenever you upload them through the XOSS app. Check your Strava account to see your synced rides, stats, and achievements. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more cycling and fitness tech tutorials.